How to fix Instagram refresh feed problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is go down to the settings on your phone, and this way is gonna be working for the iPhone and for the Android phones. So all what you have to do is go to apps manager on your iPhone or your Android, then go to apps again, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see, just click on Instagram and then click on force stop, and after that go down here to data usage and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data is enabled. Go back and click on storage, click on clear data, and after that all what you have to do is open your Instagram, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. See you in the next tutorial, and thank you so much.